Hello gamers and tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of power supplies with the GAMDIAS RGB gaming PC power supply, a robust 750W unit that's 80 Plus Bronze certified for efficiency and reliability. This powerhouse not only delivers optimal energy transfer for your gaming rig but also syncs seamlessly with RGB motherboards, supporting popular software like ASUS Aura, GIGABYTE Fusion, MSI Mystic, ASROCK Polychrome, and BIOSTAR Vivid LED DJ. With 30 stunning RGB lighting effects at your fingertips, you can easily customize your setup using the simple button switch. The GAMDIAS Eco Fan Speed Control System intelligently adjusts the fan speed, striking the perfect balance between power load and noise, while the ultra-silent mode ensures a whisper-quiet experience for those intense gaming sessions. Whether you're pushing your system to the max or just enjoying a quiet evening of gaming, the Kratos M1-750B has you covered with its automatic fan speed optimization and efficient heat dissipation. So, if you're looking to elevate your gaming experience with a reliable and visually stunning power supply, the GAMDIAS RGB Gaming PC Power Supply is a fantastic choice. Stay tuned for more tech insights and reviews, and as always, happy gaming! Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.